What's up, friends? Welcome or welcome back. Today I have the Reflective Moonlight Cat Eye Magnetic Gels from Born Pretty. They sent me the entire collection, 6-piece collection in PR, and I was more than grateful to review these because y'all know I love cat eye polishes and Born Pretty has the best. So these colors remind me of like galaxy, space, the moon, like all that type of stuff, so it really holds up to its name. My favorite, I can't say I have a favorite because these are all stunningly different to me. The reflection it gives with the magnetic is just so stunning to me. I just can't get over it. So to be honest, I almost went with the gray because I really like the effect of it. But I just did a gray set recently, so I decided to go back to pink. And I also ended up switching my nails out. Originally I had like a short round set on, and some stuff happened where I had to take them all off, and I ended up doing a little bit longer. I'll leave the link to these nails down below as well. I reviewed them recently. But yeah, I'm obsessed with these, you guys. I love all cat eye polishes from Born Pretty. And actually somebody just messaged me on Instagram asking me about some new rainbow cat eye polishes, or did she say hollow? I'm not sure. It was either hollow or rainbow. I'm not 100% sure. I'll have to look back at my messages, but yeah, I'll look into that, girl. Don't worry. If there is hollow or rainbow cat eye polishes, I'm definitely going to be looking into that, like seriously. But anywho, I'll be back. I'm going to finish swatching these, and then I'll be back to show you my nails that I'm going to do. I'm going to pick a color and use it, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with the reflective, because obviously you can see what it looks like without the reflective right now, but I'm going to do a little snippet at the end and show you what it looks like with the flash on. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below on these colors. Let me know if you'd be interested in this collection. Shout out to Born Pretty for sending me this. I'm so grateful. And shout out to all my beautiful, amazing supporters and subscribers. I love you all so much. And until next time, be kind to everyone, including yourselves. And I'll see you in the next one.